everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so there are some bad habits that people do that you actually need to stop it and try this one. Yeah, okay, there are some people who just go around putting high drop on their eye because they want a white eye, or you're having some itch on your eye, or your eye is actually itching you and you are so freaking fed up. So try this remedy that I'm going to be showing you, and you are going to be coming back to say thank you, editorial. Thank you very much. Okay, so if you want to know all what it comprises, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and stay put till the end to see all of the ingredients. Yeah, let me take you right in. Guys, so are you actually having that issue with your eyesight and you want to try some natural remedy that helps so much, and it's actually very natural? Okay, this home remedy helps in improving your eyesight, and what we're going to be needing among others will be tomato. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight to the point, guys. So what I'm going to do is to first of all wash this, yeah, and then I would have to be cutting it. This drink would help in improving your eyesight, guys. So we're going to be transferring it into a blender. And then also we're going to be making use of carrot. Now carrot is a great remedy that helps so much for the body, and when you're taking it alongside with other natural fruit juice, it helps so much to improve your eyesight. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, so after peeling that, I will go wash it, which I just did, and then we're going to be cutting it in cubes. And then we're going to be turning that into the blender. Okay, this is good. So we're equally going to be needing some orange, and this is our local orange, guys. It's actually not like the foreign orange. Our local orange is usually green, like most of the time it is usually. Okay, so now I would have to be cutting it into two, and then squeezing the juice into the blender. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some water, and then I'll blend. Okay, so this is ready. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be sieving this out. Okay guys, so this is how it is, yeah, and this is actually not all, okay. We're equally going to be needing some apple for your bright eyesight. Okay, so how I'm going to be doing that, I'm going to be taking just a little cut of apple. Okay, so we're gonna cut it in pieces, and then we're gonna be putting it to the blender again. And then we're gonna be needing some beetroot. So we're gonna peel it up. Little of this beetroot. Then we're going to be putting it into the blender, and then we're going to be putting in the other juice to blend it out. Okay guys, so this is the final, yeah, and this is superb. This is just everything. Drink this and your eyesight will be corrected. Like when you drink it every day for 2 weeks, any problem you have with your eye will be corrected, and it's equally a great juice that helps to wash out your colon. It helps to keep you healthy and helps to build your immune system. So this is the final, and this is how it looks like. So for a perfect eyesight, you're gonna be needing this drink. Drink this every day for 2 weeks, and you're gonna see a whole lot of improvement, and it's gonna be really nice and great for your body. So go try this out, and your problem in your eyesight is gonna be corrected, and you're gonna be loving how you're gonna be feeling, yeah. So that's it. That's the wonderful drink that will help you to improve your eyesight. And not only will it help you to improve your eyesight, it will equally help you to improve the texture of your skin, yeah. And I know there are some people who have pigment on their skin, age spots and frackiness of skin. It's going to help you to get that glow, yeah, and more especially brighten your eye. Yeah, and all of those ingredients are natural, so you have to give it a go. Try it and you are not going to be regretting you did. So if you do love the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the video. And I will see you again. Stay beautiful. Bye.